How to create a MySQL database in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. This will take you to the MySQL Databases page. Next, to create a database, type a suitable name in the database name field. Make sure the name is simple and related to your project. Now, click on the Create Database button, and done. Your new database has been created successfully. You can find your database under the Current Databases section. This is how you can create a MySQL database in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.